The investment world is constantly changing, and more people than ever are taking control of their financial future. Naturally, you might be looking at platforms like Spaceship and asking a key question: can I create my own custom investment portfolio? Let's dive into how Spaceship works. Spaceship offers professionally managed portfolios like the Spaceship Universe Portfolio, Spaceship Earth Portfolio, and Spaceship Origin Portfolio. These are designed and maintained by their expert team, based on specific investment philosophies, whether that's focusing on world-changing companies or ethical investments. This is where the key difference lies. When you invest with Spaceship, you are buying units in one of these existing managed funds. Your money is pooled with other investors and allocated according to that portfolio's fixed strategy. So, the short answer is no. You can't fully pick and choose individual stocks or custom build a portfolio from the ground up on the Spaceship platform. Spaceship is built for simplicity, and its key benefit is the pre-built diversification and management. You choose which of their ready-made themes aligns best with your goals and values, and they handle the rest, from stock selection to rebalancing. If your goal is to have total control over every stock and allocation in your portfolio, you'd need a brokerage or share trading platform. Spaceship is designed to be a set-and-forget investment tool for long-term growth, making it an excellent choice for beginner investors or those who prefer a hands-off approach. Ultimately, you choose the kind of portfolio you want, but the Spaceship team creates the contents. Do your research, pick the theme that's right for you, and start building your financial future.